Hey, it's Coach Rick with Flipping Mastery. So the house is all done. It's all staged. Now's the time when we've got to start marketing the property. I strongly recommend that you use a realtor and put it onto the MLS system. If you're in an area where you can also place it on other MLS systems, that's a very good idea. Sometimes you'll actually get a higher offer from out of your town or city, slightly out, than the people that live in or close to your flip. Your marketing strategy. You're going to rely on your realtor a lot for this, but make sure that he's putting it virtually everywhere. You want really good pictures, including drone, inside and out pictures. Marketing strategy. Every type of social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, Instagram, you want it everywhere. You want the really good pictures on the MLS system. Marketing is tremendously important. The more people who know about the fact that your flip is for sale and how gorgeous it is, better chance to get a really good offer. That's it for today. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.